Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pizza topping sauce. We'll begin by selecting the perfect base ingredients. High-quality canned tomatoes are crucial for a rich flavor profile. You'll also need fresh garlic, fragrant herbs like basil and oregano, and a good extra virgin olive oil. These simple components lay the foundation for an amazing homemade pizza experience, ensuring every bite is bursting with authentic taste. Now, let's get cooking. First, gently crush your whole peeled tomatoes by hand to achieve a lovely rustic texture. Next, in a saucepan, warm 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Then, stir in your crushed tomatoes and let the mixture simmer gently for 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To elevate the flavor, we'll add some key seasonings. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and a half teaspoon of dried basil for that classic Italian aroma. For a subtle kick, a pinch of red pepper flakes works wonders. Finally, season your sauce with about a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust as needed to achieve your perfect balance of flavors. Almost done, just before you're ready to top your pizza, stir in a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil. This adds a vibrant, fresh note that truly brightens the sauce. Once your sauce has cooled completely, transfer it to an airtight container. It will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for longer storage, ensuring you always have delicious homemade pizza sauce on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.